Hello friends, welcome back to CurioRoot Learning. Today we are going to step outside into nature. We see plants everywhere, in parks, in gardens, and even in the pots at home. But do you know their names and their parts? Today we will explore chapter 4, Getting to Know Plants. First, let's look at the different types of plants. Not all plants are the same size. We group them into three main categories. First is herbs. These are small plants with green tender stems. They are usually short and don't have many branches. Examples are tomato and wheat. Second one is shrubs. These are medium-sized plants. Their stem is hard but not very thick. You will see branches starting right near the base of the ground. Examples are rose and lemon. Third one is tree. These are the big giants. They are tall and a heavy, thick, hard brown stem called trunk. Examples are mango and neem. But wait, there are some plants that have very thick, weak stems. They cannot stand straight on their own. Creepers are plants that spread on the ground. Think of a heavy watermelon or a pumpkin. Climbers are the plants that take support from a wall or a stick to climb up. The money plant in your house is a perfect example of a climber. Now, let's look at the parts of the plant. First is stem. The stem is like a two-way street. It holds the plant upright, but its main job is to conduct water. It carries water and minerals from the roots all the way up to the leaves. We have done a fun experiment here. If you put a white flower stem into a glass of red colored water, the white petals will turn red. This proves that stem carries water up. Next, let's look at the leaf. The part of the leaf attached to the stem is called the petiole or stalk. The broad green flat part is called lamina. And do you see those teeny lines on the leaf? Those are called veins. The thick line in the middle is midrib. If you look closely at the design made by these veins, it's called leaf venation. There are two main designs. One is a reticulate venation. This looks like a net. You see this in people or loose leaves. Second one is the parallel venation. This looks like straight lines running side by side. You see this in grass, wheat or maize. What do leaves actually do? They have two superpowers. One is transpiration. Plants release extra water into the air as water vapor through their leaves. It's like plant is sweating to stay cool. Second one is photosynthesis. We all know leaves are the kitchen of the plant. They make food using sunlight, water, carbon dioxide, and a green pigment called chlorophyll. Now, let's go underground to the root. Roots hold the plant firmly in the soil and absorb water. There are two types of root. First is taproot. This has one main root going deep with smaller side root. Examples are carrot and rose. Second one is fibrous root. These don't have a main root. It looks like a bunch of fibers. Examples are grass and wheat. Here is a secret trick for you. You can guess the type of root without pulling the plant out of the soil. Just look at the leaves. If the leaf has a net design, the plant will have a taproot. If the leaf has parallel lines, then the plant will have fibrous root. This is simple. Finally, let's look at the most beautiful part, the flower. The colorful parts are called petals. They attract bees and butterflies. The small green leaf-like parts at the bottom are called sepals. They protect the flower when it is just a bud. If we remove the petals, we see the inner parts of the flower. The male part is called stamen. It has a stalk called the filament and a top bag called the anther. The female part is right in the center. It is called the pistil. It has a sticky top called the stigma, a tube called the style, and a swollen bottom called the ovary. So, today we explored the amazing world of plants. We learned about herbs, shrubs, trees, the function of stems and leaves, and the part of flowers. I hope you loved this chapter. Don't forget to like and subscribe to CurioRoot Learning. Go outside and check the plants near your house today. See you in the next class.